Hello everyone. We recently received an email to comment on few changes made for TD1, 2, 3 and 3. So these are TD1, 2 and 3, and these were initially fully welded as per the design. You can see here these are fully welded, but when fully welded their sizes are too large to transport and erect. For instance, see this TD1, when fully welded its height would be 9 cross 6 cross 5, and TD2 was 6 cross 4.3 cross 3, TD3 was 8 cross 4.5. These are too large to transport and erect, so we raised an RFI on 13th of April last year to reconfirm whether they should be fully welded, or you want us to split it and make some bolter or side welded connection. So as a response, we received a maximum transportable size from the builder, and for the revision A approval comments, we received some comments where they changed the welder connection to bolter connection. See these blue lines, green lines and these pink lines. These are the location of the types of bolts. So this is for TD1, this is TD2, and this is TD3. So in all the three structures they have changed the connection to bolter connection from the initially shown fully welded connection. And one more thing, this perimeter beam, see, as per the initial design, this is supposed to be a single assembly. Due to its larger size, now they have split the assembly. To do that, they have made this member continuous, and then this will be a separate assembly, and this will be a separate assembly connected via bolts. So this is when the fully welded connection has been changed to bolter connection. Thank you.